Hi students, today we are going to see about working with objects in Word. Okay, now we can see the video. In the last videos we have to see about working with table. Okay, in that what are the things we see, how to insert table and how to format the text in table and so many things related to table we can solve, isn't it? Today we are going to see about how we can insert clipboards and pictures into the Word document. Okay, for that see here in the home, in the insert tab, so many options are there. See cover page, then blank page, page break, table. In that you select clipboard. Okay, after you select the clipboard means in the right side some menus come. Okay, from that you select all collections and click the picture, whatever picture you want, you click it means that picture will display in the screen. Okay, I insert so many pictures here. See, leave some space and insert more pictures. Okay, to leave the space you just press the space bar key. Okay, see here how many pictures you want to insert, you select the picture means that picture will automatically displayed in this screen. Okay, this is the way to insert a clipboard in the Word document. Okay, this is the easiest way. The clipboards are default. There are some clipboards in the system. That one we can insert it. Okay, and next we are each and every time you can save the file. Okay, here already I created one folder named 5th, so I opened that and I saved it. Save the Word document. Okay, I give one name and click save button. Now your Word document can be saved. Okay, now we are going to see about how to insert a picture. Okay, picture means in your system we saved some pictures. No, now we can see about how to insert that pictures in the Word document. Okay, for that what you do means you just click the insert tab and click pictures means see here I select the pictures. In system also I have some default pictures, I insert that. Okay, see here I insert that penguin picture and I insert one more picture. You see that. Okay, and I save the file. The next one is about cropping an image. Okay, how you crop the image means first you select any image. Okay, crop means you have to remove the unwanted portion of the image. So you first select the image. Now I crop this image, so I first select it and click the format tab means see the mouse color, this is the crop button. Okay, if you click this means that all the sides one crop symbol is applied. Crop symbol is displayed. Okay, you just adjust that corners means you can crop the image. Okay, this is the way to crop the image. Okay, the next one is we have to apply some effects to the image. Okay, for that what you do means first you select any image. Okay, I select this image and I click the format tab. Okay, if you click the format tab means so many options will appear. Okay, from that I select picture effects. Okay, if you select the picture effects means under the picture effects so many menus will come. Okay, you select whatever, you just move the mouse means the image also moves according to the selection. You just preview that and select what shape you like or what effect you like. You just select it. Select it means the picture can be changed according to the effect you can select. Okay, so now this is the way to apply some you selected. Okay, now I recolor the picture. Okay, under that same format tab, see at the top of that menu brightness, contrast and recolor is there. Okay, from that you select recolor. Okay, if you select that any colors means according to the selection of the color the picture can be changed. Okay, did you see the difference? Now I select some color, the picture can be changed according to our selection. Okay, the next one is picture styles. It somehow changes the shape of the image. Okay, that means it applies some borders to the image. Okay, circle and thick borders, light borders, and it shows the shadow of the image. Okay, so many picture styles are there. Okay, we can select whatever style you like. You select it means the picture can be changed according to the style you selected. Okay, did you see the difference? Did you see the difference of the original image and after that style appears? Did you see that images after you apply the styles? Okay, whatever styles you like, you select it and give. Okay, now I select that picture effects. Okay, under that also under that menu so many options are there. So whatever effects you like, you give that. Okay, each and every time you can save the file. Thank you, students.